Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about this amazing ingredient जिसने कि मेरा पूरा स्किन केयर गेम चेंज कर दिया है। So अगर आप मुझे बहुत पहले से फॉलो कर रहे हैं, you have seen me and my skin in past videos that my skin used to have a lot of dark spots and pigmentation and बहुत डल थी पहले, but now in my recent videos you have seen changes in my skin. It's all because of good skincare regime, and this ingredient I found in skincare changed the whole skincare game for me. So the ingredient is glycolic acid. So glycolic acid is an ingredient which is used by dermatologists all over the world for anti-spot and brightening treatments. So why this ingredient is so important for skin? So basically glycolic acid is a part of molecular family called AHA, Alpha Hydroxy Acids, and glycolic acid उनमें से सबसे lightest है weight में and सबसे छोटा molecule है, and ये दो तरीके से आपके skin को help करता है. So the first is that it actually penetrates deep into the skin and it removes the melanin build-up cell by cell, hence reducing the dark spots. Secondly, it also works on your surface. It actually removes your dead skins. It actually acts like a mild exfoliator and removes the dead skin, revealing bright and beaming skin. So this glycolic acid मैं बहुत देर से try करना चाहती थी, but it is difficult that in Indian market it's not readily available like on the counter. But I'm very happy that L'Oreal Paris brought this ingredient in a full range so that it is very accessible for Indian consumers to have and use. So I'm very super duper excited about this range. So this range has almost everything from cleanser to serum to creams. So this range consists of one face wash, one serum, one day cream which also has an SPF, and one night cream. But today I will be talking mainly about the serum because this is my favorite out of whole range. So moving on to the glycolic acid serum. So first of all, I would like to tell you I love their packaging. The serums comes in a glass bottle with a dropper, which makes it very convenient to use. Either you can take it in your palm and apply it, or you can just drop onto your skin directly. Just make sure you're not touching the dropper's tip onto your skin ताकि आपका जो serum है contaminate ना हो. Also I love the color and the whole packaging. It has this dual tone going on which looks super classy and chic and elegant, and this serum smells amazing. So this serum has this really nice milky texture which is very lightweight. It is non-sticky, non-greasy, and it gets into your skin very easily. It gets absorbed into your skin very easily, and this product claims to reduce your 5-year dark spots in just 2 weeks to reveal bright skin. So I've been using this for 2 weeks and I have definitely seen visible changes in my skin. I will be also showing you my before and after 2 weeks, how my skin used to look and how my skin is looking right now. Actually, you can actually see my skin how it is looking right now. So there's no base, there's no foundation, but my skin is brightened up, it's glowing, and it is looking very much better than before. It is validated by L'Oreal Paris International Council of Dermatologists, which has leading dermatologists across the world. This is 1% glycolic acid and it is very safe to use on your skin, and you can use it daily and you can use it easily at your home. So there's no need to see a doctor to start using this serum. This is clinically, consumer and dermatologically tested as well. So now I'll be showing you how I use this serum on my skin. So this is how I use the serum. So first I clean my face using L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Range face wash, and it is a foaming face wash and it lathers beautifully and it just cleans your skin really nicely. And after my skin is all cleansed, I take serum and I just take few drops of the serum on my face directly like this, without touching the tip of the dropper, or I just take it on my palm like this and I gently massage my face with the serum, and I also like it to take onto my neck as well, and I massage till the serum is absorbed completely. And as glycolic acid is exfoliating in nature, you really need to top it off with SPF. I'm using Glycolic Bright Day Cream because it comes with an SPF of 17 itself, and I'm just applying all over my face and massaging it really well into my skin. And I massage it until the cream is totally absorbed, and you can see that my face is glowing and it is really nice and fresh. And you can also see the difference it made in 2 weeks in these pictures. So this is a great range to start with if you are looking for a brighter skin solution. If you have dark spots or dull skin, this is the range you have to go for because you can definitely see visible changes on your skin. It removes 5 years of dark spot in just 2 weeks, which is amazing. And I have seen myself a huge difference in my skin as well after using this range. So the serums comes in 2 packaging. One is 15 ml, which retails for 399 rupees. The other packaging is this one. It has 30 ml of product, and this one retails for 749, which is, I think, affordable because you're getting a glycolic acid serum in such a price, which is great. Rest all the prices and the links will be given in the description box, so you can definitely check them out. I definitely recommend this range for all those people who are struggling with dull skin, dark spots, pigmentation. You can definitely find your derm mat in your home now, as I have found mine. So yeah, that's it for the video. I truly love this range, and I'm looking forward to use this range more in future. And I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye bye.